Good for digestion, rich in high fibrils, made from 100% natural handmade organic wood apple chew sticks and Timothy hay balls, branches and grass balls are good for digestion, helping to relieving intestinal inflammations, relieve tension, accelerate gastrointestinal motility and improve your pet's appetite. Molars chewing. The chew sticks is good for the teeth and can be chewed safely, can protect small pets' teeth healthy growth. Small animals that move teeth must grind their teeth. If they don't grind their teeth, when the teeth are long, they will wear the upper and lower jaws and even inflammation. Funny chew toys. Both come with metal ring to hang from the side or top of the cage to keep them clean. Round grass ball is more likely to cause pet interest. They also gives diversion and helps in preventing your pets to chewing their cage or other furniture. Suitable for pet small animals. Pet rabbit chew toy will provide a fun for your animals plus keep their gnawing habit happy. Fit for guinea pigs, chinchilla, squirrel, rabbits, parrot, hamster, gerbil and other rodent species. 5 stars satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. If for any reason you are dissatisfied with our product, we will issue a replacement or a full refund. Top reviews from the United States. Bunny's favorite toy from Bunny Aunt. My bunnies got this from their aunt and they were obsessed! It was like bunny crack, but they ripped it apart so fast. Totally recommend.